Have you ever noticed that some children are loved wherever they go, while others struggle to make friends and connect with people? The difference is often not intelligence, talent, or even academic success. It comes down to manners. The first 5 years of a child's life are incredibly important. During these years, children learn how to treat others, how to communicate, and how to behave in different situations. The habits they learn now can stay with them for the rest of their lives. Let's look at some good manners every child under 5 should learn, and some bad manners parents should gently correct. First, let's talk about good manners. A child who says "please" when asking for something and "thank you" when receiving it learns gratitude and respect. These simple words may seem small, but they have a powerful impact. Another important habit is greeting people. Teaching your child to say hello, good morning, or goodbye helps them become confident and polite. It shows respect for others and helps build social skills. Sharing is another valuable lesson. Young children naturally want to keep their favorite toys to themselves. But when they learn to share, they begin to understand kindness, cooperation, and empathy. Waiting for their turn is also an essential skill. Whether they are playing a game, standing in line, or speaking in a conversation, learning patience helps children develop self-control. Listening when others are talking is another good manner. Children don't need to be perfectly quiet all the time, but they should learn that everyone deserves a chance to speak and be heard. Cleaning up after themselves is another wonderful habit. Putting toys back in their place teaches responsibility and respect for their environment. Children should also learn to use gentle hands. Being kind to siblings, friends, pets, and family members helps them understand that their actions affect others. Now, let's talk about some bad manners that parents should address early. One common bad habit is interrupting. Many young children interrupt because they are excited or impatient. Instead of getting angry, teach them how to wait politely until someone finishes speaking. Another bad manner is shouting or screaming to get attention. Children should learn that using a calm voice is more effective than yelling. Hitting, kicking, biting, or pushing are behaviors that should never be ignored. Young children may struggle to manage big emotions, but parents can teach healthier ways to express frustration and anger. Refusing to share anything can also become a problem if it continues over time. While children need time to learn sharing, parents can encourage generosity through daily examples. Taking things without asking is another habit that should be corrected early. Children need to learn respect for other people's belongings. Ignoring greetings or refusing to acknowledge others can make social interactions difficult. Encourage children to smile, wave, or say hello when appropriate. Leaving toys and belongings everywhere without helping clean up is another habit that can grow into a bigger problem later. Small responsibilities today prepare children for bigger responsibilities tomorrow. Remember, children learn much more from what they see than from what they hear. If parents say, "please," "thank you," and "sorry," children are more likely to do the same. If parents remain calm, respectful, and kind, children learn those behaviors naturally. The goal is not to raise a perfect child. No child is perfect. The goal is to raise a child who is kind, respectful, considerate, and confident. Good manners are not about making children obedient. They are about teaching them how to live successfully with other people. The habits you teach before age 5 can shape your child's future friendships, school experience, relationships, and confidence. Start with small daily lessons. Practice patience, be consistent, and remember that every polite word, every act of kindness, and every respectful behavior is helping your child become the best version of themselves. Because good manners are one of the greatest gifts a parent can give a child.